Hey guys, it's been a few weeks, but I'm back with some more videos. Now, since you're watching this video, I am assuming that you already know that we as dancers count salsa music in beats of 8 and that the basic timing of salsa dancing is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. If you don't know this, then I suggest watching this video first, where I'll explain it a little bit more. The video is linked in the cards and in the description box below. In salsa, and especially in salsa solo, so steps or shines, footwork, we sometimes deviate from the basic timing. One way of doing this is by utilizing all 8 counts. For example, by tapping or stepping on all counts, so including the 4 and the 8. This is what we call full count. Now, let's learn a full count shine. This shine is called the tap and step, but I've also seen it called the 2 corners, and there's probably more names for it as well. So let's start on 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to start by taking a step forward and simultaneously turning counterclockwise, so to the left. Then we're going to close our feet and tap with our left foot. We're going to continue with our left foot by taking a step to the back and turning another quarter. Then we're going to close our feet and tap with right. We're going to continue with our right foot, taking a step to the back and turning, and close our feet again and tap with left. And then we finish by taking a step to the front with left and close and tap with right. And tap back into basic. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7. So we step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, and step, tap. 1, 2, 3. Once more. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and go. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and go. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and go. And go. And 5, 6, 7. Of course, we can also do this shine on 1. But then we're going to turn clockwise instead of counterclockwise. So we start 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to step forward with the left and turn to the right. Then tap with right and step and turn with right to the back. Then tap with left, step with left to the back and tap with right. Then step with right to the front and tap with left and back to basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step. 1, 2, 3. Once more. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and again. 6, 7. 1. 1. Let's go. And 5, 6, 7. Of course, there are many more full count shines. For example, the flare and the toe heel toe step. So if you want tutorials for those, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And also let me know in the comments below if you ever heard the term full count before when it comes to dancing. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Wietske Welte and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye!